Hey, what's up? Welcome back to ISCAR's Tip Talk, brought to you from ISCAR's Tech Center. To cool or not to cool? This is the question. And if the answer is to cool, then dry or wet? How to cool? Medium and rough milling processes generate heat. And applying a wet coolant on a blazing cutting edge is the last thing you would want to do. This will create a thermal shock, which will chip or even crack and eventually break your insert. Therefore, when milling steel, use dry air to cool your inserts and to evacuate the chips. Wet coolant is good for finish milling of steels, and it is crucial for general milling operations on austenitic stainless steels, titanium, nickel-based, and other exotic materials.